welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to talk about this fragrance in particular. This is Latafa Raut Al Musk, and it comes in a box like this. So I'll be talking about packaging and notes and so on and so forth. And I will be comparing Latafa Raut Al Musk with Musk Mood and Pure Musk. So I will be talking and comparing this Rautal Musk with Pure Musk and then Musk Mood. And I actually did not come across any such video, so I wanted to make this video myself so that you can have an idea as to how different this is from the other two. So this is how the fragrance comes in. It comes in a very beautiful box, and this uh, flower thing is embossed, uh, and this is how it looks from outside. It's a decent cardboard box packaging, and then when you open it up, you'll see the fragrance. I've wrapped it in bubble wrap because it's a glass bottle and I don't want to get like ruin it. So this is like a well macerated juice, and yeah, I actually had an extra bottle, so I wanted to give this away. So before giving this away, I wanted to review this and put it out for you guys. So as you can see, the bottle actually looks very gorgeous. It has embossed glass detail, embroidery sort of thing, and it this actually looks very pretty on in my vanity actually. And you can see the top is also very pretty. It's all glass and it's pretty heavy, and I wish they had done a better job at like adding the tassel here, but yeah, it's okay. You can see here, it I think there's something made here. It's sort of leaf and cupcake, I don't know what it is, but yeah, overall the packaging looks very beautiful, very good on your vanity. And yeah, I really love like displaying it on my vanity. And you can see the juice, it has darkened, and I always keep all my fragrance bottle in a dark cool place, so keep it away from sunlight so that you can like just prevent any degradation of fragrance. So let me just read out the notes and tell you what the notes are. So the top notes for this one is fruit, orange blossom, mandarin orange. Then the middle notes are white flower, jasmine, sandalwood. The base note is amber and vanilla. The notes for this one has just pure musk and nothing else. So let's just spray it on a sheet of paper, and this Latafa pure musk has clean muskiness to it, which is not at all cologne like or shaving cream type. It's very different. It's very clean and refreshing. It has some sort of a rose in it, which is not rosy. It has some floral. I don't know what floral is it, but it smells slightly like a Dabur Gulab Jal, or you would say it is mixed with that clean fragrance. If you don't know how musk smells like, I think you should try this one out. This one is very pretty. And if you like clean fragrances, and if you want to try something different and strong, and it's not that strong, but it's a very nice clean fragrance. If you are a girly who loves a clean fragrance, I would say go for this one. Latafa Pure Musk is your friend instead of Rautal Musk. It has some sort of a, it's not sweet, it's very clean, fresh, refreshing. It's not vetiver, it's not cologne like, it's not aquatic. It's very fresh and clean, and small quantity goes a long way. So I would prefer Latafa Pure Mask over this one. It has no such floral heavy note. It's just musk. And if you want to ever want to sniff musk, how it smells like, I think this is a very good example of that. This is the best in the market, and both men and women can use this. So it's very versatile. I think this would smell better on a lady. Latafa Pure Mask. So yeah. So let's compare Rotal Mask with one of my favorite, Latafa Musk Mode. So if you are someone who loves musky fragrances, and I wanted to compare Rotal Musk with Musk Mode because I haven't seen a comparison. So yeah, again, coming to this one, the notes for this one is top notes are citrus and fruits. Then middle note is white musk, floral notes, vanilla, and then base note has white musk and sandalwood. The notes are pretty simple, so let's just spray it on a sheet of paper. And so on first spray, I do get that alcoholic scent, uh, along with that vanilla sweetness, very mild sweetness. It's very mild. If you have like an experienced nose, you would notice. It has a creamy coconut vanillic sort of smell. Coconut is not mentioned in the notes, but I do get a coconutty vanilla mixed with clean, fresh scent. Again, I do get a musk similar to this one, but the musk in this and the musk in this is different because of the presence of creamy vanillic coconuttiness in this. You can say that it smells very similar to a baby lotion or a baby powder. I cannot point out actually what this one is, but it has that baby powder or baby lotion sort of a vibe. If you are someone who loves powdery scents, powdery sort of a clean scent, you should try this one out. It has that uh, baby that feel when you sniff a baby and you get that clean baby powder lotion sort of a smell. You get that with musk mood. I really like this fragrance, and I really like this Latafa musk mood over this one Rotal musk anytime. That's just my personal preference, but most people don't like this one because it has that baby powder sort of a vibe. It's very refreshing. Later on you get the creamy vanilla coconuttiness and that depth from the sandalwood in the beginning, but later on it dries down into a very smooth, clean, musky fragrance with some floral note. The floral note is not mentioned, but it is definitely not jasmine or white floral. It has some floral note, but I cannot pinpoint it out. But it's a very beautiful fragrance. If you are looking for something powdery and clean, baby sort of vibe, you should get this Latafa Musk. And if you want something very masculine sort of, if you want to give this to your male partner, I think you should go for Rautal Musk. It's very unique in its own way. Musk with white florals, and white floral is not dominant. It's very soothing and nice, and both of them are both of these are like pretty strong fragrances. And I think if you like musk, you should have these three. For a lady, I would recommend Latafa Musk Mood and Pure Musk if you like clean, powdery fragrances. And if you are looking for something with a masculine touch to it, I would say go for Rautal Musk. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to review any other musky fragrance. I do love sniffing powdery and shampooy and musky fragrances. Uh, so yeah, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.